What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We've got another security device here that we can take a look at. This one is pretty straightforward, straight to the point. Got a little bag here to hold the product. Stow that away under your bike seat. But in essence here we have a alarm disc lock. All right, so the product also comes with this cable that you can use to lock it to something if you'd like. Now again, this is not anything by any means going to stop someone from doing anything. This particular, because this is really small, you could probably cut this, but the fact is they do give it to you, and they also provide you with an Allen key, which I believe allows you to get underneath here and pull this cover off, which is probably where the battery's sitting. But in essence, here is the alarm. It's very straightforward instruction set. You got two sets of keys here and a little pouch to put your device and stow it away. So to arm the alarm, it's pretty straightforward. All you have to do is put it through that rotor, press down. That's it. It's that simple. So in essence, if anyone tampers with this, it's going to make noise. It's 110 dB alarm. So there you go. And that's how you unlock it. So we can go ahead and show you how it works. There it is. It's locked in place. So now if anyone comes up, tries to mess with anything, you got your alarm. So it's that simple, that easy. Again, this is a 110 dB alarm. It's waterproof. You can lock it up in your little baggie, store it under the seat so you have it to install. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.